Welcome to the latest edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Teva launched Homeground Schizophrenia Community, a no-cost online resource hub for people living with schizophrenia and their care partners. The platform includes symptom tracking, emotional wellness, independent living, physical health, and event resources, and may support screening, initiation, and follow-up at scale. Neurocrine reported higher 6-month treatment persistence with INGREZZA, or valbenazine, than AUSTEDO XR, or deutetrabenazine, in adults with tardive dyskinesia. The retrospective claims analysis used matched cohorts of 1,494 patients per arm and found 55.6% persistence with INGREZZA versus 48.1% with AUSTEDO XR. Sumitomo Pharma received conditional and time-limited approval in Japan for Amchepry, or ragoneprosol, for eligible Parkinson's disease patients. The stem cell-based dopamine neuron replacement therapy was studied in a phase 1/2 trial at Kyoto University Hospital, with 7 patients followed for 24 months. Health Canada approved VUEWAY, or gatopiclinol, Bracco Imaging's macrocyclic gadolinium-based contrast agent for contrast-enhanced MRI. VUEWAY is indicated for adults and children 2 years and older, with cited clinical data supporting use at 0.05 millimoles per kilogram. CHMP recommended Novartis's Itvisma, intrathecal onasemnogene abiparvovec, for 5q spinal muscular atrophy in children 2 years and older, teens, and adults with a biallelic SMN1 mutation. The phase 3 STEER study showed a 2.39-point HFMSE improvement with Itvisma versus 0.51 with sham over 52 weeks. The FDA approved Johnson & Johnson's CAPLYTA, or lumateperone, supplemental new drug application based on long-term data for prevention of relapse in schizophrenia. In a phase 3 randomized withdrawal trial, CAPLYTA reduced relapse risk by 63%, with 84% of patients relapse-free over 6 months. CHMP recommended Sanofi's Cenrifki, or tolebrutinib, for secondary progressive multiple sclerosis without relapses in the last 2 years. The opinion is based on the phase 3 Hercules study, with supporting Gemini 1 and Gemini 2 data, and DLI is an identified safety risk. The European Commission granted conditional marketing authorization for Ipsen's Ojemda, or tovorafenib, in relapsed or refractory BRAF-altered pediatric low-grade glioma. Approval was based on phase 2 Firefly-1 data in 137 children and young adults, with response rates reported by RANO-HGG and RAPNO-LGG criteria. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.